Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you once again with another instant noodle recipe time show thing. It's a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So, what do we have today for you? Well, from the exotic land of Japan, we have Kinchan Squid Yakisoba. You like squid? I love me some squid. I'm going to make it in a way that's a little bit easier, because you might all think that I'm an expert, classically trained chef of sorts. That would not be true, or at all accurate. Do I have experience making instant noodles? Oh, yeah. Do I have a good... Am I really good at spilling things? Yeah. So... have I gotten in arguments with readers about how bad I am at making... at hard-boiling eggs by myself without the use of a device? Yep. Alright. So instead of using this, we're just going to use this pot right here. That makes it a lot easier. The draining thing, that's just super, but I just don't... I don't wanna, so I'm not gonna. But yeah, you just put that in there. You put this in there. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. I want you to see it. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, right there. Yeah. It's oh, and it's 3 minutes. Starting now. Squid. Look at all that. That's nuts. And we will cover it to simulate the way that it would be enjoyed in its native form. But you do have to understand that we are basically in my laboratory here. This is my place of research and doings and stuff. So, yeah. Yeah. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Canada because it's fun. First off, Canada's a blast. It's like a whole other country, and it's insane what products they have. If you had like a product you really liked and it went away, and I know everybody's had that happen. It's like, where'd my favorite product go? I can't find it anywhere. Oh, it was discontinued. A lot of them aren't discontinued up in Canada, such as certain kinds of Quaker oatmeal that I enjoy for breakfast every day, that all of a sudden, dude, where'd it go? Clearance? Oh, it's gonna be gone forever. Not in Canada. People in Canada eat their freaking oatmeal. Their peanut butter's good too. They come in 4-pound jars, and it's super cheap. I mean, you're paying like $6 for 4 pounds of peanut butter. How can you go wrong? What else is cool about Canada? At least in Richmond, everything... I mean, it's like... it's like going to a Canadian version of Asia. It's great. There's... It's like, I really like being around Asian people. There, I said it. Some people might think that's racist. I don't know why. Some people will get offended about everything, but I like to be in the minority, honestly, especially when it comes to being in Asia or around Asian people. I don't know. I like Asian people. I think they're cool. They're very easy to ask questions to. It's like, so, how did you get to this? And what's it like for this? And blah, 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 blah. They just answer the questions. I'm sure everybody else does, but I don't know. I just feel this affinity for Asian people and Asian culture. Pretty much, it's I go on Facebook and it says, some of your friends are nearby. Where are they? Taiwan. It's like, oh my. Yeah. I have no friends. They're all in Taiwan. Which seems kind of weird. I don't know. But, yeah, usually most of the people I talk to, I really couldn't talk to them past, like, 8 or 9 in the morning because they need to get to sleep. It's, like, super late there. But they stay up really late. It seems like everybody I know over there stays up really, really late. Alright. This is a lot of noodle, folks. Smells good, too. I will say right here and now, and you can quote me on this, this has the faintest scent of French fries. Maybe they use a different kind of oil. I don't know, but maybe they're eating potato noodle. Whatever the reason, I like it. Alrighty then. Give this a stir and give it a taste. It's kind of lame. Now that I've gone on my diet, I don't make enormous skillets full of yakisoba anymore. And I love doing that and slathering it in mayo and putting all sorts of nice vegetables and meats in it and dumping all that Otofuku yakisoba sauce all over and Kewpie mayo. But gotta get fit. Yep. I want to wear smaller pants. Is that a crime? Yeah, I could totally scarf all this back. I can already tell I like it. That smells good. So here is a piece. Yeah, here's one of the big pieces of stuff. Let's give this a taste. This smells really good. Itadakimasu. Wow, that's some good yakisoba there. It's got good squid in it too. Okay, one more bite. It's got some cabbage going on. Yes. I approve. The Ramen Raider says yes. Oh, but I want to put mung bean sprouts in it, so I better put those in first and give them a stir so they don't look like they're all stark and white. Let's do that. Sweet. That working? Kinda. Please work. And I want to put some squid in there too. Let's go extra squid. Nothing wrong with that. Oh yeah. You're probably wondering, where is he getting all this squid? I'm like, well, it was in a bag in the freezer. I got it at H Mart. And I just basically put it in a Tupperware and run hot water over it and let it sit for a couple minutes before I have everything ready. It's like part of my prep for doing these videos and stuff like that. I do that with shrimp too. I know some people are like, oh, you can't do that, that's bad. It's like, well, yeah, probably. Ah! Yeah. There you are. And we're gonna do some spring onion. What else? What else should we do to this? I'm tempted to put mayo on it, but I'm just gonna leave that be. Yeah, we're probably good at this point. Yeah, this is a good one. If you can find Kinchan Squid Yakisoba, give it a try. It's hella decent. I like it. Yeah. Oh, you know what I should throw in here? I should throw this. You know what this is? The last egg of the week. I have to give it a name. What's your name, last egg of the week? Name is Skip. Oh. Come on, Skip. Yeah. Oh, Skippy. Yeah, that works out well. I like that. So now we have a nice soft egg, kicking it with the fried noodle and the squid and the mung bean sprouts and the spring onion. Here's a little bit more. There we go. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. It's getting close to the new year, isn't it? For you. Well, for me too. Anyway. Alright. Have a good one. Bye.